In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change existing lines line type in AutoCAD. If you've ever needed to switch a continuous line to a dashed or center line style for clarity or standards, this quick walkthrough will make it easy. Line types control how your lines look: solid, dashed, center, or custom, and choosing the right one can make your drawings much more readable. Start by selecting the line or lines you want to update. You can click a single line to select it, or drag a window to gather several at once. If you accidentally pick up something you don't want, hold Shift and click it again to remove it from the selection. Take a moment to zoom in and confirm you've got the correct geometry highlighted. Getting a clean selection now prevents confusion later. With your line selected, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. Look for the Properties section. This is where you'll find quick access to common object settings. In that section, click the Line Type dropdown. It often shows something like continuous or bilayer as the current setting. When you open the list, you'll see the available line types for your drawing. Choose the line type you want from that list. As soon as you select it, AutoCAD applies the change to the lines you have selected. You should see the appearance update right away, so take a quick look to confirm it matches what you intended. If your drawing is zoomed out, it can be harder to notice the change, so don't hesitate to zoom in to check the pattern clearly. And there you go. That's the direct way to change the line type on specific lines you've selected. It's fast, targeted, and perfect when you only need to adjust a few objects without touching the rest of the drawing. Now, if all your lines are on the same layer, there's an even more efficient option. You can edit the layer itself to set a new line type, and AutoCAD will automatically update all lines that are in that layer to your selected line type. This is especially helpful for global updates and staying consistent across a drawing. Keep in mind, this works best when the objects are set to use the layer's properties, so adopting a bilayer workflow helps keep things simple and predictable. That's all. You've learned how to change the line type for selected lines using the Properties section on the Home tab, and how to apply a line type change across an entire layer when everything is organized consistently. Thanks for watching, and happy drafting.